I'm in my kitchen getting ready to make zucchini bread from a very large zucchini that I grew in my yard. Right now I'm getting ready to beat 3 eggs, so I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, these are the eggs. They are nice and frothy. Next ingredient is a cup of oil. Okay, this is the oil and 3 cups of sugar. I believe I forgot to mention that before. Mixed and blended together. Next, I'm going to add in the zucchini and 2 teaspoons of. Okay, you have my wet ingredients, which is the oil, the eggs, the sugar, and the zucchini mixed together in this bowl. In this bowl, we have 3 cups of flour, some baking soda, some cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a half a cup of chopped nuts. And slowly I'm going to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. When I'm done, I'll show you the product when I'm done. Okay, here's the completed batter with the nuts and everything in it. I have 2 loaf pans and my oven is preheated to 325 degrees, and I'm going to place these in the oven for approximately an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, here are the 2 finished loaves that just taken out of the oven. They smell great. Thank you for watching. As always, if you like my content, subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and grow, grow, grow.